Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. I will be sharing with you all some tips and advice on how you can expand your wardrobe. It is a new year, it is 2019. I know for some people, one of their goals and resolutions is to change up their wardrobe and to expand and stuff like that. So if that is you, then this video is just for you. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first tip is to get rid of clothes that you don't like or really don't wear like that. Now, over the past summer, I did that myself. I got rid of a lot of clothes that I didn't wear, I didn't like, couldn't fit. Some clothes were too big, some were too small. So I just kind of got rid of those clothes. I even got rid of shoes, and it just made a really big difference. After a while, it kind of felt like I didn't have much clothes. But getting rid of that stuff made me feel a lot better because I'm like not holding on to stuff that I'm not gonna wear, especially if it's been like years since I've touched that stuff. Then it's just time to just let it go and just get rid of that stuff. The second tip is to get creative and to DIY your clothes. If you feel like you can't get rid of your clothes and you're steady hanging on to them, then I feel like you should just kind of get creative and DIY some stuff. Like go to the craft store, or you can like cut up some stuff just to make your clothes look a little bit different. If you want to wear your clothes different ways, then that's a great way. Some craft stores that you can go to is Joann's, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's, and I'm pretty sure there are other fabric stores and craft stores, and just think of new ways to innovate your clothing. The third tip is to be brave and to step out of your comfort zone. I know for me, I used to be the kind of person that would not wear what I really wanted to wear because I used to think about like, what if somebody say something about my clothing, or what if somebody don't like my outfit or something like that. And that stuff does not matter. I feel like if it's something that you want to wear, then go ahead and wear it. Fashion is a part of expressing yourself and showing who you really are, and that's another thing about me as well. Like the things that I wear is a part of my personality. Get out of that comfort zone, wear what you want to wear, and don't think about what others are thinking about what you're wearing or your outfit and stuff like that. And it's just really great to just have your own personal touch and personality with your fashion. And the reason I say this is because somebody out there might like your fit, somebody out there might see what you wear as an inspiration and want to wear that too, and like your outfit and want to go get that same thing. So who knows, you could be a trendsetter and not even know it. So I just feel like if you like something, then just go with it. Don't think about anybody else. If it's your personality, your style, if you like it, then go for it and just wear it. The fourth tip is to use things for inspirations. You can use things such as magazines, books, the internet, Pinterest. Pinterest is one of my favorites to go and look for like outfit ideas, even makeup and stuff like that. Like Pinterest has everything. You can look on YouTube and look at other like fashion gurus and see like what they wear, if they have tips and advice videos, if they have lookbooks. I love to watch lookbooks because it gives you an idea of like outfits to put together. You can also look at your favorite celebrities and see what they're wearing. I know a lot of us have celebrities that we look to for fashion inspiration, and two of mine is Rihanna and Keke Palmer. I think I've mentioned that before, but those are two of my fashion inspirations because I love the way they dress. You can also even look at fashion shows. Like if you have a favorite fashion designer, like they are gonna have fashion shows, obviously. Even movies you can look at and see what kind of costume design that someone is wearing in the movie. The fifth tip is to downgrade your current wardrobe, and by this I mean to get rid of stuff that you have too much of or add stuff that you have too little of, but mostly getting rid of stuff. So if you feel like you have too many casual clothing, then you can kind of get rid of what you feel like you really don't wear that's casual and kind of add it with something else. If you feel like you have too many dressy clothes, then you can kind of take those out and add it with something else. If you feel like you have too many jeans, then you can get rid of those. And that's for me also. I had so many jeans this summer. The sixth tip is to go for replicas, and don't be afraid to buy replicas, you guys. Like, I don't really see anything wrong with replicas. It's just that you have to be careful with what you buy that's a replica. Replicas can be a good thing. Like, you have purses that are replicas. If you don't know what a replica is, it's basically a copy of the original thing, except it may not be name brand. And one thing that I'm gonna give an example of is Fashion Nova. There are a lot of fashion designers that make all of these creative clothing and outfits and stuff like that. They post them on their page, and then like the next day Fashion Nova already has an exact copy or the exact same thing on their website that looks just like that. The 7th tip is to mix and match your clothing. What I mean by mix and matching clothing is mixing colors, mixing patterns, mixing shapes and all of that stuff. You don't have to match from head to toe. Like, fashion is about being creative and what you wear and stuff like that. So, you know, mix and match stuff, but still make it look good. You know, I have a whole entire video on how to mix and match patterns and colors. I will put that in the cards up above as well as in the description box. But just be creative, you guys. Like, don't be afraid to mix and match. I promise you, when you mix and match stuff, your outfit looks 10 times more unique, more creative, and it adds a lot of more personality and personal touch. And that is what's gonna stand out. The 8th tip is to get more staple basic pieces. And by staple pieces, I mean to get stuff that you can wear mostly like every day, or something that's really basic that you can pair with a lot of stuff. Some staple pieces that I would say is like a tank top, a black tank top or a black t-shirt that can go with different kinds of pants and shoes and jackets. Black jeans, white jeans, a pair of dark wash or light wash jeans that can go with anything, a pair of go-to shoes, or maybe like a purse or something, like maybe a nude color purse or a black purse, something that's gonna go with all kinds of colors. Another good thing of staple pieces for girls is a pair of leggings. I love to wear leggings. I would wear leggings every day if I could. My 9th tip is to buy new colors. Buy new colors other than just black and neutral colors. I had to get out of this stage as well. Like, every time I went to the store, I always got stuff that was black, stuff that was white, stuff that was gray, stuff that was nude or neutral colors. And sometimes that stuff can get really boring and a little bit dry. I have a lot more colorful stuff in my closet now than I did before, because I used to just like to stick to just the basic colors. My last and final tip is to try new things. That also goes back to stepping out of your comfort zone. Try new things. If you have a certain style that you stick to, it doesn't have to be the same exact thing. Sometimes you can switch it up. So you don't always have to stick to things that you feel comfortable in, but try to branch out as far as like what kind of styles you like to wear. Those were all of my tips on how to expand your wardrobe. So if this video has helped you all, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Like this video, press the bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.